Hello guys, the date today is 29th April 2021. In this video, I will share with you my thought process and the logic behind a trade which I took in Bank Nifty futures today. So let's get started. As you can see, Bank Nifty opened gap up today, and after opening gap up, it started continuing its upward rally. The rally ended here when it halted for some time and formed this double top pattern which I have marked. This is a double top. As you all know, double top is a very strong reversal pattern and the market respects quite a lot. So after forming this double top here, it started falling and it was a very big impulsive fall. I have just marked the fall, this fall. So the price took support here. Here I have marked the level. The price took support at this area after this fall, and after taking support, it slowly gradually started to move up, and I was just waiting this time, just seeing the developments happening. So the up move after this support ended here, where it again faced some resistance and started to move downside. So this was the resistance level created during this time, and I was just patiently waiting, waiting to see what happens next. We should always trade with proper confirmations only. Though I had this resistance support levels, but yet there is no any solid confirmation which would enable me to place a trade, so I just kept on waiting. So at this point of time, when the price had formed this candle and was forming this candle, I spotted this trend line. Let me just mark it out for you. So this trend line was the one which I spotted, and the price was respecting it, and I just kept on waiting. And when the price had completed forming this candle and was forming this candle, I also spotted another trend line, this one. So guys, if you look closely, then this is a bearish pennant pattern. So what is a bearish pennant pattern? I will draw it for you, and then I will try explaining it. So this is how a bearish pennant pattern looks like, and I will just show you the general price movement that happens here. This is how a bearish pennant generally looks like and how the price performs here. So bearish pennants are continuation patterns, that mark a pause in the movement of a price halfway through a strong downtrend. So this is a strong downtrend and this is the pause that is marked by the bearish pennant. They occur just after a sharp drop in price and resemble a triangular flag. You can see here, this is like a triangular flag out here. And as the price moves sideways, it makes gradually lower highs and higher lows. You can see it is making lower highs and higher lows. So the same thing happened here. It formed a bearish pennant pattern, and bearish pennant patterns give us a very good opportunity to go short. So the ideal entry point is always here after this breakdown, and the same I did here. I just waited for a breakdown to happen, and as soon as the breakdown happened, I waited for the candle to close down and I entered on the next candle out here. My target, I had thought to go for this support zone only, because the price could get support here also, and again it could go upwards. So I will just show you the futures chart where I took the trade. So I took the trade here after this breakdown. The target, I went for this support zone only. I went for around 100 points, and after I had placed the entry, this candle broke the low of the previous candle. So I was quite confident that this trade would work out. So I placed a very low SL. My SL was just above this candle and it was 40 points only. The risk to reward ratio was around 2.5, and the target got achieved easily. Though the bearish pennant pattern looks like this and gives a big fall, but yet as intraday traders it's very important to play safe. So I only went for this target only, As you can see, the price moved even downwards from here, but the price could have formed a double bottom here also. It could have formed a double bottom like this, and it could have gone up from here. So that's why, as intraday traders, it's very important that we play safe and not go for big targets. So even 100 points is not bad in futures. So yeah, it was quite good. So guys, that's all for today. Hope you guys liked the video, and do comment what you feel about the video. Okay guys, have a great day and take care.